Malacanang is optimistic of the Philippines realizing the demographic and middle-income sweet spots within the next 6 years. Let's hear details from Elena Luna.
Malacanang stressed the importance of sustaining the country's economic growth. In a press briefing, PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma Jr. referred to President Aquino's speech in Seoul before the Korean business community. The president mentioned in South Korea the research supporting the Philippines' optimism in entering the so-called demographic sweet spot.
Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Ang mayorya ng ating populasyon ay papasok na sa hanay ng mga naghahanap buhay. Majority of our population will be joining the workforce by the year 2015. Dahil dito, makakamit natin ang benepisyo ng isang profesional, masipag at bihasang workforce sa lupo ng mga manggagawa.
According to the Secretary, this will happen to the Philippines twice. After 2015, the country will again enter another sweet spot by 2019.
Ang tawag naman po dito ay yung middle income sweet spot. Ang ating GDP per capita sa taong yon ay tinataya na papalo na sa 6,000 dolyar. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Ang ibig sabihin nito ay greater buying power ng ating mga mamayan and a more empowered consumer base.
The official said President Aquino is refining the economic infrastructure institutions, which include the NEDA or the National Economic Development Authority. The chief executive signed Memorandum Order No. 58, the NEDA board to include the secretaries of PCDSPO and DILG.
This will address important concerns at the grassroots level and convey and communicate the programs of the national government to the Filipino people at the provincial, municipality, city, and barangay levels. Kasama po ang ating mga local government units sa pagtatamo po ng layunin ng inclusive growth dahil po ang ating mga mamamayan ay nasa grassroots po ng ating bansa.
NEDA is in the process of updating the results matrix to track the progress made in attaining the Millennium Development Goals and the targets under the Philippine Development Plan. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.